Hi, I'm Rich and Nina from Trimac, and today we're going to talk about this Origin One demo part. The Origin One is an amazing piece of equipment, but more than anything else, it's an incredibly powerful manufacturing tool. Using the Origin One, we can create injection molded quality parts in materials that rival even some of the highest end thermoplastics with exceptionally fast throughput, making the Origin One a true manufacturing solution. This Origin One demo part that I've created uses the Henkel Loctite 3843 clear material, which is also available in opaque white and black. But I chose the clear so that you could see everything that's going on inside of it. This part has 3 types of threads. The first being 3D printed threads designed in SolidWorks, already modeled into the part. The second being press fit inserts. And the third being a hole for us to be able to tap it after the part has been printed and cured. We also wanted to demonstrate the capability of the machine to print solid threading, both perpendicular to the build head as well as horizontally parallel to the build head. So we're demonstrating both 3 types of threads and in 2 completely different orientations. The reason that this is important is because the Origin One, unlike many other 3D printers out there, is capable of near isotropic mechanical properties. Printed vertically or printed horizontally, these threads should hold up just the same in both orientations. Some of the important fine details that I've included on this part, past the threading itself, which is the real key to the part, are that we can get some really high details out of this printer since it prints at 100 microns, 50 microns, or you can tune it to other settings past that. This part itself was printed at 50 microns, and the first place that you could see that is on the knurling at the top. I had a great time designing it, and seeing the knurling come off of the printer was just beautiful. It's crisp, it's sharp, and these are just incredible little diamond patterns for this knurling. So if you're at one of our trade show events, look for our booth and keep an eye out for this part and get a good feel for what the Origin One is truly capable of. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.